Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the e-classroom of Khadaria. In this class, we'll see about plant kingdom fungi. Fungi, first we'll see general characteristics of fungi. Fungi in singular known as fungus, which belongs to Thallophyta family, which is Thallophyta plant kingdom because the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. The plant body of fungus consists of filaments like structure which is called hyphae. You can see us in this picture. The oranges is affected from the hyphae which is in white color web like structure. Several hyphae arranged in the form of network called mycelium. There are two types of mycelium found in fungi. One is septate mycelium, another one is aseptate mycelium. This is how mycelium looks like. The white color network like structure is known as mycelium. The cross wall is seen between the cell. It is called septate mycelium. If the cross wall is not seen, it is called aseptate mycelium. Aseptate mycelium contains many nuclei. It is called as coinocytic mycelium. You can see here in this picture what are the difference between septate mycelium and aseptate mycelium. In septate mycelium, there in between the cells is present, where in aseptate mycelium it is absent. The cells of fungi are multicellular and eukaryotic organization. The overall cells of fungi have many cells which belongs to eukaryotic family, and a species of fungi like yeast is unicellular which have a single cell and eukaryotic cell. Cell wall of fungi is made up of a chemical substance chitin. You can see here in picture there is a yellow color substance which is a chitin, and the materials of fungi are glycogen and oil. The food in fungi is glycogen and oil. They have no starch because they have no chlorophyll pigment. They are colorless because we all know chlorophyll gives green color to the plant. So here chlorophyll is absent, so they are heterotrophs. What is heterotrophs? Heterotrophs is nothing but it 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 won't prepare their food. They won't manufacture the food by own self. They derive food from another sources like plants. And heterotrophs are which is called parasites, saprophytes and symbionts. First we'll see parasites. Parasites absorb food from the living organisms with the help of Cercospora. Example is Cercospora personata. It affects groundnut plants and which causes sticker in the leaves. The brown color spots is a saprophytes. Saprophytes grown up on dead and decay matters and get food from them. Rhizopus and decayed matter. Next is symbionts. Some species of fungi living with as we studied in algae grown in with another organisms which is fungi. Similarly here also symbionts is nothing but the fungi living with another microorganisms. Maybe we say example is lichen. Some fungi live symbiotically with higher plants roots called mycorrhizae. Then we'll move for classification of fungi. In 1961, W. Martin has classified fungi in two types, which is Myxomycetes and Eumycetes. In Eumycetes, there is four classes. One is Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Then we'll see economic importance of fungi: antibiotic, food, vitamins, and alcohol. Antibiotic. We all know that antibiotic is the substance which act against foreign particles like penicillin, which is to say Penicillium notatum, neomycin, gentamicin, erythromycin are some antibiotics obtained from fungi which cure variable diseases. Next is food. Mushroom contains rich protein and minerals. The most common edible mushroom is agaricus, which is a button mushroom. Next is vitamin. Fungus like Aspergillus and Erythrothecium ashby are used to produce vitamin B2, which is riboflavin. Then move for alcohol. Fungus like yeast contain enzymes, invertase and zymes, which ferment the sugar molasses into alcohol. We all had studied that with the presence of yeast, the sugar content molasses of sugar fermented and form alcohol. Similarly, yeast had been used in different various we can say bread making, in cake making, yeast or using. Then what are the harmful effects of fungi in plants? The diseases caused by fungi in plants, the pathogen is Fusarium oxysporum. Name of the disease is sweet disease of cotton. And next is Cercospora passionata, Tika disease of groundnut. Coletotrichum falcatum, red rot of sugarcane. Pyricolaria oryzae, blast disease of paddy. Albugo candida, white rust of radish. This is how it affects the plants. You can see here, this is the red rot of sugarcane, blast disease in paddy, blight disease in wheat paddy. This is how this is how fungi affects the plants. Next, we will see diseases caused by fungi in human. Trichophyton sp, which affect the disease in human, is ringworm, which is circular rashes on the skin. Next is Microforum furfur, which cause dandruff in human. And next is Tinea pedis, which is athlete's foot. I hope you understood. Thank you.